So they cutting bits and pieces and carry them down. You will see they chopping up the grasshopper in pieces and carry them down. So these are the nature cleaners of the nature. One's death is the other's breath. So I saw this grasshopper on my plants this morning and I liquidate it and leave it on the leaf. And look at this, a whole gang of ants. They coming over, they will clean it up and actually eat it. There, that one got a piece. See there? They trying to figure out how to carry it down. He gave it to the other one and he's telling him, take care of it, or let's chop it up if it's too heavy. Look them, they discussing. A third one came into play. Look, they discussing if they have to chop it. See them? Okay. Oh, the other one said, no, I can handle this, give it to me. So he's looking for the way out, and there he goes. Look him, he going down. Look at him, watch him. He gone by, he's out. And if you look closely, they going for the joints. Look here at the end, there in the middle, and there they going for the joints. Because they know that the joints is the weak spot. Look at that. They're going for the joints. So ants dismantle insect by working together. Yes, they work in harmony together. They use their sharp mandibles to tear apart the skeleton and muscle tissue of the insect. See how they go in for the joints? That's how they try to dismantle it. And after that, as you see, they carry the parts back to the colony to feed the larvae. Yes. What I like of ants that they are very highly organized and efficient in their task. Every ant has a specific task to do, and they are just programmed to do it. They often employ teamwork, as you see. So by working together, they can accomplish much bigger tasks and goals. Doesn't matter how big the prey is, by teamwork, they can dismantle and dismember even large prey. Very organized. I'm always fascinated by the way ants work together. You see, they all working in harmony, no quarreling. Everybody has their specific task. They just do what they need to do. Look there, they dismember another part again. So they're working together how to bring it down. Watch them. See that yellow little piece there? So they're gonna try to figure out how to bring it down. Amazing. Let's see how they will bring this one down now. It looks kind of heavy, looks bigger. I think they decide to cut it in half. If you look at them, they just stop and then they are using their jaws to cut it. I think that's the decision they make. They decided to cut it in half and they use their jaws to cut it. Watch there. See, they stop. Nobody is moving with that piece because it's too big. Yes, they are very efficient in dismembering. Look, they have a couple of parts, dismembered parts, that they're gonna try to bring now to the colony. Well, not try, they will bring it to the colony. Look at that. All the little pieces, and this big one that they decided to cut it up. I see some movement. Maybe it's like they got some other bigger ones that can carry that part down. You see, there's a bigger one that joined the group. That's the muscle guy. So let's see what they're gonna do. Let's see. Look, they all around it. And they try to dismember this leg by going for the joint. You see there in the corner there? That's amazing teamwork. And there's no quarreling, no fighting. Everybody just work together as a team. Okay, that one has a piece, and he's going down. See, he's looking for his way down. And there he goes, down. Ooh, look at this. Down, there he goes. You see, this one was big, and they cut a little piece out of it, and now he's bringing it down. Watch him going down. He going down. What? No. Okay, that's where you have to go. Boom. And there he goes, down. I think they realize that they need more manpower, because I see so much more ants. Look, they try to dismember this one. You see how they move in it? So there's a whole ecosystem in my backyard, a whole ecosystem of ants, pests, birds, insects. It seems like they have a tough time with this member in this leg. You see, they bring in a bigger ant to cut it at the joint, and there they have parts again. There we have one. He's looking for his way out. Look him there, look him. I think they give him directions. And there he goes. Say, just leave me alone, I will carry this. Some try to help him, but he say, I got it. So he's continuing the trip. Look, now he's going down. Up. And there he goes. Wow. Beautiful. So now they chopping on the skin. You see the green? This one going down with the green piece. That's from the body. There he goes. This big one still working on the leg, on the joint. I think those big ones there are the soldiers. They just standing there giving instructions and overseeing the work. Oh, it started to rain, so I will see what they will do now. It started to rain. Let me get out of the rain. The rain stopped and they're working very hard to dismember the grasshopper. So I think the ants have enough. They abandon the carcass. They abandon this what is left, and they are now in the colony. So I saw one going through the thigh, the femur. Probably it went inside and sucked all the juice, all the meat that was in there. But nonetheless, this is what is left. Okay, people, my YouTube family, that was it for today. Showing you a little of the ecosystem in my backyard, which you can also enjoy watching them. Okay, my viewers, I think that the ants have enough of the carcass of the dead grasshopper. This is what is left, and they abandoned the grasshopper, so probably they have enough. I saw one going through that hole there in the femur, so he probably sucked all the juice out of it. So this is what is left, and they all leave as in a team. So thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this part of the ecosystem in my backyard. Please, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, click on the notification bell, and leave a comment. See you in the next video.